If you're trying to protect your email domain and reduce spoofing, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to add a DMARC record in GoDaddy step by step. DMARC is one of the most important email authentication records you can publish because it helps receiving mail servers know what to do when an email claims to come from your domain. Setting it up properly can improve deliverability, strengthen your domain security, and help prevent phishing attempts using your name. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and head to your domain portfolio. This is where all of your registered domains are listed. Once you're signed in, look for the domain you want to secure with DMARC. If you manage multiple domains, double-check that you select the correct one, because DNS changes always need to be added to the exact domain you want to protect. After you find the right domain, click on it to open the domain management settings. Now look for the DNS option underneath or next to your domain name. This is the section you'll use to manage all of your DNS records, including A records, MX records, CNAME records, and TXT records. Since DMARC is published as a TXT record in GoDaddy, this is the place where you'll add it. Once you're on the DNS management page, you'll see a list of your existing DNS records. To create your new DMARC record, click the Add New Record button, or in some layouts, just click Add. That will open a form where you can enter the record details manually. Now it's time to fill in the fields correctly. For the type field, select TXT. This is very important because DMARC records are added as TXT records, not MX or CNAME. In the name or host field, enter _DMARC, written exactly as EDMARC. Make sure you include the underscore at the beginning because that is part of the required DMARC hostname. Next, go to the value field and paste your specific DMARC text string. This is the policy value that tells receiving mail servers how to handle messages that fail authentication. Depending on your setup, this could include tags like pkavin_none, pkavin_quarantine, or pkavin_reject, along with optional reporting addresses and other instructions. Be careful to paste the DMARC string exactly as provided by your email provider, IT team, or DNS guide, because even a small typo can make the record invalid. For TTL, leave it set to default, unless you specifically need a custom time-to-live value. In most cases, the default setting is the safest choice and works perfectly fine for a DMARC record. After reviewing everything, one more time, click Save to publish the record. Once you save it, GoDaddy will add the TXT record to your DNS zone. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. In some cases it may update quickly, but in others it can take a little while before the record is fully visible everywhere. So if you do not see the change right away, that is completely normal. After your DMARC record is live, it's a good idea to verify it using a DNS lookup or a DMARC checking tool. That way you can confirm the hostname is correct, the value was pasted properly, and the record is working the way you intended. If you ever need to edit it later, just return to the same DNS section in GoDaddy, find the TXT record for DMARC, and update the value from there. And that's it. You now know how to add a DMARC record in GoDaddy. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference for your domain security and email protection. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.